Alright, we're at Best Buy, and I am just gonna go around the corner. Oop, there it is again. Whew. Man, those things are bad. I ain't even gonna lie. Holy cow. They are so clean. Which is why I wanted the X3M so bad. It doesn't look like the X5. That's a different shape. And the lights are even different. What is that? A Hornet. OMG. That doesn't look good to me at all. All right, as we're rounding this corner, I got a whole speed bump to go. I'm not racing over that, bro. There is Sam's right there. Crazy. And this is the one I primarily go to. I've been to a few others. I'm just gonna say, I'm not happy with the way this process is going. And I'm glad I followed my first mind yesterday and did not come. Come on, Best Buy. Okay, I'm on the wrong side. I needed to be over here where I thought I needed to pull up. Sheesh. Got plenty of stuff here. I guess it's first come, first serve. Let's see if we can get anything done today. Hey, how's it going?
Not good.
Oh, that's not good.
It is what it is.
Wow.
What you got going on?
Actually, it's my first time to the shop, so I wanted one to locate it, and two, see if you had anything available. I need to do an oil change on an Alfa Romeo. Okay. So just need I guess an oil change lift.
Yeah. Let me look around.
Sure.
There's supposed to be somebody called so they're showing up.
Okay. And if not today, it's no worries. I actually had some extra time waiting on something else to take place. So
let me go ask the guy that mainly runs the DIY stuff.
Sure, I appreciate it.
But yeah, I mean basically it's $30 an hour plus tax, be $32.50.
Okay.
You can kind of see the breakdown here as far as the lifts. And,
right.
Oil change, if you literally just drive on, do an oil change and leave, it's just $20.
Okay. Oh wow.
You're basically paying for like the lift, the on your back, a couple tools, and disposal, right? Like
I got you. Right.
Out the door.
Okay.
So we have a 4-post lift, which is basically a drive-on lift.
Yep.
You have to go
Don't have to do the arms, right? Okay.
4-post number?
What's up, my man? Good. Fair enough. Right. Fair enough. Yeah, I got you.
Yeah. Once you do that, X, he's mainly the DIY guy.
Okay.
He kind of manages that side.
Okay.
So we can get you on the drive-on right away.
Okay. Cool. All right. I'll get this done.
Stuff, right?
I do. Yeah.
We don't provide anything.
Okay.
As far as like gloves.
No, I got gloves.
Cleaner,
Okay.
filter, oil.
No, I got all of that. Yeah. But everything tool-wise, you have tools. Okay.
That's all.
Okay. Cool. Appreciate it.
Tell people because they'll be like,
You don't have oil?
You got some gloves? You got some anesthesia? I'm like,
No,
hey,
I got
that shit away all day. You have it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Is your mind?
am here today knocking out this oil change thanks to MKBHD and the Formula One Explained.
I'm so glad that y'all put this on my radar because I love it now. Just because while on the surface it is just a car race, which is already pretty cool, it is also at the same time the world's highest end tech competition. It's a science fair. It's one thing to see it on TV. Like, you can tell they're going pretty fast and the broadcasts are super cool. There's sensor data everywhere, live speed readouts. Seeing it in person gave me an entirely new level of respect for all of it. This is the Ferrari car. The day before racing started this past weekend in Las Vegas, this car is so much lower and actually bigger than you might expect it to be.
Watching that just heightened my childlike energy, thinking back to when I was a kid. Well, actually thinking back to when I finally met my father at 35, finding out that when I was a baby, the smile that would be on my face with being in the backseat of any one of his cars, but especially the Lincoln, it turns out, Lincoln Town car, and riding with him any and everywhere. But then the other part was he built cars, he built race cars. So I heard the engine, the revs, the exhaust, and all of the noises and smells and everything that comes with cars. And that's probably why I ended up working on F-18s and really enjoyed the smell of jet fuel and hide fluid and all sorts of stuff. So I am here with the Alfa, just doing an oil change that it is needed, and we've got some more things to do as well. So this has been fun so far.
Yeah. Yeah. You must be blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look daytime in the night.
But yes, it is the child-like feel that I get from being around cars, and I am so grateful to my father for turning me on to to that at such an early age. And again, watching MKBHD today, that was wow. It just made me feel all of my feels, if you will. Man, such an awesome thing to be around Formula One. And back to Formula One. Well, hold on, I don't even know. It's such an awesome feeling. And then I think the biggest thing about how I feel today is owning this Alfa Romeo. Now, I already have owned a couple of BMWs, the E46, well, three, specifically the three that I've had, the 330Ci, the E46 330Ci, the E46 M3, and then the E92 M3. And man, just the enjoyment of being around cars and turning a wrench like what's happening today. But to now own an Alfa Romeo, basically a Baby Rari, with the 2.9 liter twin turbocharged V6 that just freaking moves. So to be talking about Formula One and Ferrari and my dreams to own a Ferrari, and I really and truly plan to own a Ferrari. I want that over everything else. I've heard some things about it, both amazing and not so amazing, but I think that goes with part of the ownership, and then how your particular position on cars, whether that's modifying them, driving them, or whatever it is. But man, I am just in heaven even right now, right this very moment. So I'll just say thank you, MKBHD, for just sharing that today. I look forward to going to the one that comes here. I found out after the fact that there was Formula One had happened here in Austin. So I'm just like, it's here? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got 9 more to go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then there's one more somewhere. Oh, well, this one. Oh shit. Now, of course, the guide tells me to undo 18 T30s, but clearly these are not T30s. That might be T27 or T20s. They're pretty small. So got 8 more to get out. So let me take a picture of this so we have an idea of the size. I won't add too much guesswork on this.
Yeah. Yeah. You must be blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look daytime in the night. We bring the vibes here. We full of life, you keep the change. Keep the change. They hate and say we went and changed. I stay the same. You must be blinded by the lights. You must be blinded by the lights. Yeah, 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 yeah.
So like that's the starter. Cool. That's good. Huh. Never need to do that. That's here. Well, I didn't expect to run into this of all things, but this thing is on here good. Damn. Let me make sure I'm at the right bolt, because jeez. The one in the diagram shows it's coming off at an angle somewhere right over here, but maybe that's a 17, 18 model, because I don't see anything else on here that it would be. So it's got to be that. It's got to be the oil level sensor. Wow. Holy cow. This is ridiculous. That looks like that's the crush washer. Let's look in here. Yep, that's where it goes. It's gonna sit right under that. Holy bejeebies, and I do not want to strip that. Damn. But there again, that's how it goes, man. That's how it goes. It doesn't kill my excitement. This ain't the first time something like this has ever happened. But we got a good run at what it looks like to take this thing apart and do the oil change. Very simple process. Once you get that done, drain it, put in the new fluid. Of course, put the bolt back in, put in the new fluid, drain it, put the bolt back in, or new bolt, crush washer. And I think the lesson learned from now on, I would just have a new bolt anyway, just replace it. That seems to be the running theme lately, is bolts. Just buy, when you're going to remove stuff that involves a bolt and washer, just replace the bolt, or at least just have it on hand. Let me get this thing pieced back together, and I'm going to get ready to head home and eat and edit this video. Well, actually, I got to go pick up the Mac, then go edit. Yeah, well, that's a whole classic Fox body. Oh, I hear. Yeah, 5.0. But yeah, let's get this thing put back together so I can go pick up the Mac and then get home, eat, edit, all that good stuff. So, hey, thanks for watching again today. I hope that this gave you some excitement and just a little dive into working on the Alfa Romeo Stelvio QV, all that good stuff. Love this thing. Beautiful car, and so far not that difficult, not that hard to work on in theory, just run into a snag. So that's okay. Been there, done that. And those things will continue to happen when you work on cars. It's just a part of the process. So anyway, as always, make sure you show up for yourself, love yourself. You have to do that for you first before you can do it for anyone else. And as always, thank you all for coming along. If you haven't subscribed already and you want to, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you see more Vlogmas episodes and other episodes to come. And as well as like the video, if you like the video, and then share it out. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until next time, keep driving. Salute.